Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the Vibe Beam and positioning it close to your iPhone. This reduces pairing failures. Once the speaker is on, the LED should blink indicating Bluetooth pairing mode. If it doesn't, press the Bluetooth button quickly. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone in Settings. You can also open Control Center to confirm. You do this because of visible pairing signal and proximity speed discovery and reduce interference from other devices. You now perform the actual pairing, open Bluetooth settings and watch the device list refresh. When JBL Vibe Beam appears, tap it to initiate pairing. This exchanges authentication and establishes the audio profile. If a confirmation code or pairing pop-up appears, accept it. That verifies the link. Once connected, the iPhone sets the Vibe Beam as an output device, which is why audio routes automatically. If music doesn't play immediately, select the speaker from the AirPlay menu to force out. You finish by confirming audio output and saving the connection. Open Control Center, tap AirPlay, and select JBL Vibe Beam to ensure sound flows through it. If pairing fails, reboot the speaker by powering off, then press and hold the Bluetooth button for 5-10 seconds to reset pairing state. This clears stale entries. If that still fails, restart your iPhone. Restarting resolves many Bluetooth stack issues, and then repeat the pairing sequence, which typically fixes lingering connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.